Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the dual recording. So how to use the dual recording? You need to at first open the camera app, and here now you need to open video. Once you're here, you need to tap this square icon right here. Let me lower my brightness level so that you will see it better. So tap this icon right here. Now go right and tap this mode right here. Here we can record like this. We've got dual recording, picture-in-picture view. Here we've got our selfie camera, and here we've got our rear-facing camera. But we can change that. Here we can change it to this size, like on the top we've got the front, and the bottom we've got the rear, and we've got side to side vertical split. And that's how to use it. You need to just hit record button and everything will be done. You don't need to do nothing more. Bye.